Discuss on the impact of the AI network engineering jobs. That's the main question actually. This is a little bit different, how to develop this thing. This is slightly different, but let me just come to this, the impact of the AI on the network engineering job. So as we all know, the AI is again changing the industry, mainly specific to the automation part. Now the automation is like repetitive task. If you're doing some basic troubleshooting, every day the same, or some kind of a monitoring if you are doing, or let's say if you're doing some kind of configuration recommendations, or if you're doing any kind of optimization relating to performance optimizations. So most of these tasks the engineers are doing generally kind of a level 1 level 2 task. That's a normal operational work for most of the level 1 level 2 engineers. So the engineers who are actually doing this repetitive task, the operational task, whatever I have mentioned, you will see the reduced demand. The demand will be a little bit low because most of these tasks the AI can simply replace. So if I just say like how the AI is going to transmit. So AI cannot easily replace all these engineers who can actually do some complex troubleshooting. Now, what are the tasks which cannot be replaced? So these tasks can be replaced. That's what I said. Now, coming to the AI cannot replace someone who do some complex troubleshooting or someone who design the network or do the architecture. Of course, it will assist because I use the daily assistance from the AI to build my designs or architecture. But at the same time, it can give me the suggestions, but it cannot do everything because it cannot understand the entire scenario completely because it's just based on those inputs. So it cannot do the decisions, security decisions you have to take. So the business requirements. So if you are sitting in a consulting and you talk to the customer and you are doing some business mappings, it cannot easily replace that. Or multi-vendor integrations or decision makings. There are many things which AI cannot replace the engineers who actually handle this task. So what I suggest is, again, this is a very common question. If you are at this level, then definitely there is a chance that the AI will replace you at this level, because if you are doing some basic troubleshooting, the basic monitoring, and the basic log verifications, or doing some performance optimization suggestions you are suggesting, most likely it will replace you. Like, you don't need 10 people to do this, you don't need 5 people to do this. But if you are at this level, the second level, where you are working at the complex troubleshooting or the design, or mapping the business requirements or major decision making, you should be at that position. And that's where the architect level, that's where the CCIE trainings will generally place you at that level. Okay. So automation knowledge is again important. Now, this is the first thing you need to know. That's the first part.